Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve one of the exercises from our course book, page number 185. Students, in this exercise we are given 7 sentences and in this video we are going to solve first 4 sentences. Next 3 sentences that I will solve in next video. Students, in exercise C1 on page number 185 of your course book, we are given 7 sentences and all 7 sentences are complex sentences. We have to identify the clause and state their types. We have to identify the clauses and we have to state their types. Here we have to state their types. It means we have to identify subordinate clause, because we can identify types of clauses based on the function of subordinate clause. Now let's see the exercise. Course book, page number 185. Identify the clauses in these complex sentences and state their types. It means whatever sentences are given, they are complex sentences. Complex sentences, it means 2 clauses joined with subordinating conjunction. We have to identify subordinate clause and state its type. Here we have to identify, so we will underline the subordinate clause and state its type, whether it is noun clause, adjective clause or adverb clause. First sentence. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Here the subordinate clause, that is where angels fear to tread. Another thing, very easy method to identify subordinate clause. Subordinate clause begins with subordinating conjunction. Here see where angels fear to tread, that is our subordinate clause, and here where angels fear to tread, it tells something about the place where the action takes place. So that is adverb clause. Next, since I will be working at home, I will not be able to come. Here the subordinate clause, this one, since I will be working at home. Since it is subordinating conjunction. Since I will be working at home, I will not be able to come. When we read the sentence, we can come to know the subordinate clause states the reason of not be able to come. It means it modifies the verb of the main clause, so it is also an adverb clause. Third sentence. This is a fact that I have worked very hard to win the competition. Here the subordinating clause is that I have worked very hard to win the competition. Here when we read this, that I have worked very hard to win the competition, this subordinate clause tells something about a fact. And of fact, it is a noun. So word that tells something about a noun, it is an adjective. In the same way, a clause that modifies a noun, that is known as adjective clause. So in third, that is adjective clause. Next, fourth sentence. The house that I live in belongs to my father. Here the subordinate clause is that I live in. That I live in. And the main clause, the house belongs to my father. That I live in, that is subordinate clause, and here that I live in, it tells something about the house, and the house, it is a noun. So that I live in, it is an adjective clause. So in first sentence, in second sentence, adverb clauses, and in third and fourth, adjective clauses. Next 3 sentences, their solution we will see in next video.